Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another review of Scandal. I'm Carla from MooreTalkJa. May I give you a presenter advice this evening. Now, before I start this broadcast, I want to say Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Singles Awareness Day, Happy Valem Dooms Day, all of them something there. Like, big ups to you and whatever you celebrate. Happy International Day of Itch Up. I was concerned that on the day when we're supposed to be celebrating Itch Up, Shonda Rhimes was going to, break Olivia and Fitz apart. But I see that she's found a way to bring them back together. If you have watched the episode, then you will know why it is that I am blushing while I'm saying this. Because Shonda really went up with a lot of... Anyways, we'll get back to that in the broadcast. So, to review, Fitz feels that he can run a country on his own. Mellie is acting like she don't know why Fitz is not sleeping, and Olivia is dating somebody without doing a background check. Have we learned nothing in the weeks leading up to this? Fitz, you are incapable of running a country on your own, and you have a drinking problem because you have not been seeing Olivia. Mellie, Fitz is not sleeping because he has not been seeing Olivia, and the reason that I know you know this is because you say one used to arrange for Olivia come see him in order for him to sleep, but something has drawn up into your head now, and you decide say you feel that you can run this man by yourself. Just as Fitz can run the country without Olivia, you cannot run Fitz without Olivia. Olivia is necessary to make sure that things keep on functioning. She is the something in the middle where everything rotates around. And know that you're having the best wife life right now. 10 months later, the sheen has rubbed off. You need to carry the matey back into the house. And on me make it so as Shonda Rhimes write it. If me could have write a life for you where you don't have a matey, I would write one. I would give Olivia a nice young man. No. I did have it in my intention. So the boy where she meeting at the coffee shop was going to be the nice young man. But me see the people them pan the MooreTalk family said don't trust the man. Next thing me know, the man of the whole of courts electronic section worth a TV I show him Olivia in her yard. What is exactly happening into the people them dance? Young man, where you come from and why are you stalking Olivia? We only have one person around here who do surveillance on people, and that is Uck. So the one something me never get to say last week. Me never get to say it last week. I mean really want to say, oh, Fitz a deal with Olivia, so. Oh, Fitz really feels that him have the guard for deal with Olivia, so the girl take off to walk away from the christening. After him done steer out her yard, give her the love look. Take off, she walk away. Him a go all her in a room. Rooks are off in the people them room, and then turn around, give her the dry face and tell her about him cannot control him erection around her. Are you 12? Is this science class? Are we talking about reproduction and the teacher is about to ask you to get up and do something and you cannot do it because you have a little 10 pitching in the front of your pants? You are a big grown man and you are running a country. What do you mean you cannot control the erection around her? And you got buff her up, so. And then you got turn around down for Olivia. Me don't know where you need to find a man from, but you need to find a man right now. Me don't know if it is where you need to take the stocking where the little fresh face boy you give you. Me need you out of this relationship with Fitz. Me I start a hashtag, send Huck for Fitz. Hashtag send Huck for Fitz. Because Fitz is acting out of sort, and Fitz we just need to replace him as the president of the country. Cyrus did want a little opportunity to get a little blind. Cyrus, me not care if your face is not as good as Fitz on, your body not strong up, you not have the six-pack abs. Me will take a big belly president over what Fitz is doing to Olivia right in this moment. Now, David Rosen, me see your hype. Me see say you drop balls. Me see say you drop balls because you go in at the little office and you frighten the man and you use pure sights from the man and you get away from the man and them something. You really did feel though. Say if Olivia Pope did want you to not be in your position or not to be alive, you would still be here? David Rosen. We have killed and disposed of better people than you. We have gotten better people than you extradited to their own country for sentencing. You need to understand the type of power that Olivia Pope have in her hand and be thankful that you do not choose to put our stilettos into your trachea and murder you. Be grateful. The little red-head thin lip girl like you. Why every time the girl come to you, you try hype on the girl. You know from when the girl try nice to you. David Rosen, you hot, but you're not really that hot, you know. You're hot, but you're not really that hot. Me feel say you have to take up the little red-head girl. And Quinn, me see ya look pa my man and me need you to stop. Because me didn't know say something did wrong with you from we collect you. And see now we come to understand that you is the next serial killer. It's because you need a hoodie and some type of gun that you are disguising under it. It's because you want a tall building figure stand up on top of right now so you can start pick off people from up there. It's because you want to cash out all of your money, turn it into quarters, get running shoes and buckled water and decide say you're going to form a doomsday cult because something is wrong with you. See how you stop the girl and look happy about it because I you say Dexter Quinn. Me see how you look pan Huck, and I want you to know he's not available to you. Him just get out of a bad relationship. And me can personally tell you, say if you try to up yourself with Huck, me personally I go liberate Becky out of jail for the one night wait I go take for she come snipe you forget you out of the picture. You are today with Harrison. Me know everybody want the thin lip girl there with Harrison. I see the chemistry and I'm ignoring it. Quinn, Harrison, Huck is to remain free. When Huck is in a relationship, his judgment is clouded and the entire thing goes haywire. Is there anything else that needs to be said? David Rose now walk up and down and tell everybody about the fight. Mellie, what a dry eye. Oh man, first of all, Mellie, stop trying your antics in the bath. I love you, understand your position, but you need to understand. Fitz don't have any feelings for you in that regard. It's not your fault, a really film fault. It's a jagabat for being like that. But stop embarrassing like yourself like that in the bathroom. And Mellie, oh, you sell out Cyrus, so? Oh, you just a tell Fitz a bag of thing and a fake tears and all of them something they dry eye. Mellie that me see with fake tears and glistening in her eye. Boy, oh, Cyrus force her to do it. Mellie, you were all but chomping on the bit. You were basically stuffing the ballot yourself. If it is that them couldn't get it work out, you did willing to fake the pregnancy so you could have carried the fake ballot them in the belly for go stuff up the box them. And as Cyrus you come and come and play like you were live, like you were the last person to convert and you were tearful. Mellie, you were cheering and doing backflip. Mellie, I try to like you, but every week you pose me with a new challenge in our friendship, primarily because you are a dry-eyed Jezebel and I cannot stomach you. Look here, Fitz. Oh, and look here. Last thing before me go. Oh, no, no. Oh, the little boy, I look Olivia to start. Because when me looking at Olivia's face, Missy Fitzgerald Grant III print out in her face. Him mark her like territory. So me want to know, at the heap of swimming where she do, she mark, wash off the marking where Fitz do. Why it is that this boy could have feel same, could have come look her, because when me see it, me shock, you know. Me say what a boy brazen, my sister, the president, woman that. Anyway, look here, Fitz. I like you. I love you. But I'm more committed to Olivia than I am to you. Please understand that. You are a secondary character in this. So, if you continue to act trifling, I'm going to have to send Huck for you. Don't make me have to get all of the scandal people behind me to get rid of you. Because we have made presidents before. We made you the president. And we can make another president again. Don't drive us to it. Okay? Please? Thank you. Goodbye.